Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring key prerequisites, Python 3, 8+, appropriate GPU drivers, and a working virtual environment. Once those are in place, clone the Creation Camp repository and activate the venv. This puts you in the project context immediately. Next, install requirements. TXT and run the quick QTA check to confirm GPU acceleration. Make sure to inspect example config. YAML, changing a single parameter, now prevents wasted runs later. This sequence readies your environment so you can run the first training job without delay. Once done with setup, prepare your dataset by formatting files, splitting into train/val/test, and generating metadata. JSON that matches the repo schema. Then adjust the model config, set batch size to match GPU memory, tune learning rate and epoch count, and enable augmentation if needed for generalization. Start the training script with config pointing to your file and stream logs to catch early divergence. As training proceeds, save checkpoints frequently and validate on the held out, set to measure real progress. To finish, evaluate saved checkpoints and export the best performing model to ONCS or Torch script for deployment. This consolidates your work into a reproducible artifact. Run inference on representative samples, calculate metrics, and compare against baseline targets so you know if the model meets requirements. If results are poor, inspect training logs for loss spikes, try reducing the learning rate, or rebalance the dataset class distribution. These targeted fixes often resolve common failures and get you back to a stable, production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.